Hello and good day, Prof. We are from Group 5 and we will presenting about the project proposal as we propose to do the odor neutralizer with coffee grounds. So the team members we have Ng Choi Yeng, Danial Haqeem, Afifi, Alisha and Izzdania. So our proposal presentation will start with the problem statement, then solutions, followed by prototype methodology and the interactive module, materials required, costing, and benefits to community. Lastly is the SDG related SDG. Okay, so let's start about the problem statement from the issues of air freshener. The first point is health risk. Most of the chemical air fresheners contain volatile organic compounds, phthalates, and formaldehyde that link to allergies and respiratory issues, especially in children. So from the research, 34% of asthmatics experience adverse health effects such as asthma attack after their exposed to the chemical air freshener. Next is about the environmental impact. Most of the synthetic fragrances and chemical sprays contribute to air and water pollutions. The volatile organic compounds from the synthetic fragrances react with the sunlight and ozone to form secondary pollutants. This will worsening the air quality and the climate change. Also, the single-use packaging will lead to the landfill waste. Next is the problem is high cost and wastefulness. The store-bought deodorizer can be expensive and must be replaced frequently after the use up. So they are mostly single use and not sustainable in the long run. The last problem is the wasted resources such as the coffee grounds. The used coffee grounds are often discarded after brewing despite their beneficial properties. The daily brew coffee generates ground that can contribute to the household or organic waste. So these grounds actually still contain the natural oils and compounds that can absorb and neutralize the odors. So that these are the reasons why we need propose the coffee grounds odor neutralizer. So next is about the solution why we propose our odor neutralizer with coffee grounds. First, it is health friendly alternative uh, as it uses the natural and non-toxic materials. It is safe for children and sensitive individuals as we avoid the use of chemicals. It reduces the risk of allergy or respiratory irritation caused by chemical air freshener. Next, it is environmentally sustainable as it promotes upcycling of coffee grounds instead of throwing them away. It reduces the chemical pollution and packaging waste in the environment as the usage of chemical air freshener is reduced, and this will contribute to zero waste and eco-friendly living. Next is the coffee ground odor neutralizer is low cost and long lasting. The materials are readily available at home, such as the used coffee grounds, cloths, and string. You no need to buy the commercial products, and this will help saving our money in the long run. Then, the coffee grounds also are long lasting compared to the chemical spray, as the chemical spray will dissipate quickly. The last is the coffee ground odor neutralizer is a way to repurposing the way repurposing the waste that we transform the everyday coffee waste into a useful and eco-friendly product, and this will promote the awareness of reducing, reusing, and recycling in the daily life. So at the end, we will encourage this will encourage us the eco-friendly habits at home, school, and in the community. So that's all about the solutions.
Next, I will continue with the material and methodology part, which is how to making the odor neutralizer using the coffee grounds that we have collect. The things, the material or the things that we need to prepare or use is just six simple things. The first one is the coffee grounds. The second one is the plastic container, essential oil, decoration, pouch bag, and lastly a spoon. Our main idea is one to show and to give to propose to show and give the demonstrate demonstration to students how to making the odor neutralizer using the coffee grounds. And after that, we let them do by their own self, so that they can use while they are studying. For the methodology part, just have three simple steps that student can easy to follow. The first one is we need to collect and dry the coffee grounds. The things that we need is we spread the coffee grounds on a tray lined with a paper, and after that we let the coffee ground dry for 1 to 2 days. For the second step, we mix the odor neutralizer, which is we put around 100 gram of coffee grounds into a container, and after that we add few drops of essential oil to give some smells to the odor neutralizer, like the good smell or the something that smell good. And the last one, we assemble the odor neutralizer, which is we place the odor neutralizer in a posh bag, and after that we decorate and label. Uh, the posh bag use their the posh bag by their own creativity.
Next, I will propose an interactive model combining an online game and also a hands-on activity. So this is to reinforce students' understanding. So the online game I will be using a platform of Educa Play, which is an online educational game platform. This game will be featured of 10 short interactive questions, and this is to test students' understanding of the methodology, and the purpose is to reinforce theoretical knowledge in a fun interactive way, and also to assess understanding before or after hands-on activities. So this game will be take approximately 5 to 7 minutes to complete. Later, I will show you how the game will be played. Next, I will explain about the hands-on activity. So the students will participate in this game where they will experiment with coffee grounds and essential oils. One special box will have a chopped onion mixed with coffee grounds, demonstrating how coffee neutralizes the strong odors. So this hands-on activity allows students to explore the mechanism of scent neutralization firsthand, with the session lasting about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the group size. So together these activities will provide a well-rounded fun learning experience.
Good evening, everyone. So today I will proceed to the cost analysis for our sustainable project, which is creating an odor neutralizer from recycled coffee ground. So the first thing first is coffee ground. We estimate the coffee ground for 1,000 grams, which will collect from local cafes such as Zeus Coffee for free, as there is no cost involved. So the next is plastic container to store and distribute the product. Mm, around it costs around 12 ringgit. The next is essential oil, which we will add essential oil into our coffee grounds to enhance the scents. So we decide to do 4 different scents, which we'll decided later for which flavor we for which scents we want to use. So it costs around 20 ringgit. The next is push bag. The password is the options to packaging our product. So we will use 10 pieces around 10 ringgit, and spoons 2 pieces around 2.4 ringgit. And the next is the last one is decoration, which to labels or decorate our for additional decoration, giving the product um, for more attractive, which uh, cost around 5 ringgit. So the total cost for this project is 49.4 ringgit. So that's all from me.
So in our project, we can benefit a lot to the community and give back to the community. So the first thing that this project focuses is on the improved air quality. This is because our project offers a natural method to neutralize bad odor, creating a fresher and more pleasant environment in home, office, or any public space. And then we also want to reduce the waste. So by using the coffee grounds, we can recycle and reuse it. And this project encourage the recycle and minimize organic waste. And then we also focus to cost effective solution. This is because the odor neutralizer is likely to be more affordable than the commercial that we need to buy in Shopee or any shop online or offline, because we use recycled item, making it accessible to a wider population. And then the last one is we focus on the healthier alternative. This is because we avoid synthetic chemical that found in typical air freshener. We use the natural one, and it reduces the potential of respiratory or allergic reaction in the individual. So in this project, we also include the Sustainable Development Goal (SDGs), such as SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. This promote healthier living environment by reducing indoor air pollutant. And then SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. This is because this project enhance urban living quality with eco-friendly odor control. And then SDG 12, which is responsible consumption and production. This is because our project encourage the reuse and recycle of the coffee grounds and reducing the waste of and promoting the sustainable habit. And the last one is climate action, which is SDG 13. It is because this project support waste reduction and awareness, indirectly contributing to lower greenhouse gas emission from decomposing the organic waste.